Yes, I was asked to come out and investigate this wound on this tree right here, and we had 3 magnolias here in a row, and they're all showing the same signs. It's a lesion that runs up and down the trunk of the tree, and I have a strong background in fungus with trees, and I have to assume that this is a canker disease. A canker disease affects different trees in different ways, and there's different types of cankers. This one in particular right here appears to be what I believe to be an innovatus fungus. It's a white rot, and the white rot affects the phloem tissue of the tree and then also the cambium, and then it gets real soft on the heartwood of the tree, and that's what's telling me that it's probably an innovatus type canker. The best way to treat this type of canker is to cut it out and treat your tools with bleach, a 9-to-1 mixture of bleach, and treat the wound of the tree in hopes of not spreading the disease. If it is not treated, if it's left alone, it will eventually kill the tree. Okay, now I want to take this tree apart. This section, this appears to be the only section of the tree that is infected. So we're going to eliminate it, and for safety reasons, I'm going to prune up above the first wound. No need to sterilize my tools yet, because I'm only cutting out infected parts of the tree. This section right here is dead. You can see how the canker grew around this collar, and a lot of times that's where the wound sets in. We see the canker on the outside, but how it affects the tree on the inside, the decay continues to move its way into the wood, eating away that phloem tissue, which the phloem tissue is what carries the nutrients from the foliage down, and then eating away at the cambium, which produces the new tissue of the tree. Now, on this final cut, I am going to spray my tools right here, because we're getting down to the part of the wood that we're going to leave. This is a 9-to-1 mixture of bleach, and we're going to cut it off at ground level. Get a nice clean cut. The phloem tissue and the xylem tissue is still active right now before the wound starts closing over or compartmentalizing. And treating it with this bleach, we hope to stop the disease from spreading.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.